So far, you have done, finding out area of the regular figures like square. You can find out area of a square. You know how to find out area of a circle. You know how to find out area of a right triangle.
Yeah.
And you know how to find out area of a rectangle.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay. Now, in this unit, you will learn how to find out area of first a regular polygon. So you can have a regular pentagon, a regular hexagon, octagon, anything. So how do we find out the area of any regular polygon? So for that, you need only two things. You know, apothem.
Mhm.
You know what is the apothem?
The distance from the center of a polygon to any side.
Exactly. So this side, this one, it has to be a perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular distance from the center to a side. So that's your apothem. So you will need two things. You will need the apothem and you will need the perimeter. Okay. And they will not give you these things directly. You will have to find out. They will give you some information and we'll have to find out the missing pieces. So this is apothem. And also there is one more thing called the radius of a regular polygon, which is from the center to the vertex. So center from center to the vertex, that distance is radius. Okay. And in the formula, you don't need the radius, but to find out this side, see now if you want to find out the perimeter, that means you want to add all these lengths. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like we'll do a question.
Yeah.
Okay. For example, in number 1 and 2, we can take number 2. We want to find out area of, what is this? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is an octagon. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is an octagon. So its area will be 1/2 times the apothem. Apothem is this.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is very easy. And the perimeter is just so 13.3 times 8 because it has 8 sides. So 13.3 times 8, that will be the area.
Yeah. Like those
Okay.
were easy. Just starting from like number 3, it kind of became kind of.
Yes, yes. That's what I thought. This is really easy. Let's start with number 3. Now, sometimes they will not give you this information like they have given here, and you will have to find out the missing pieces. So you know you only need the apothem and the perimeter. And to find out the perimeter, you need the side, one of the sides, right?
Yeah.
And if you want to find out the sides, you will need to use either, Pythagorean theorem or your SOHCAHTOA or the special right triangles, all of this stuff.
Mhm.
So right now you have this. You'll have to do some construction like this. Okay?
Yeah.
And I feel I would be more comfortable if I make this line and I'll draw the apothem here. This is more convenient for me. Okay. So this is
Actually, no, that makes sense. Never mind.
okay. So this is given as 5. Okay. This is a right angle. We want to find out, don't forget, we want to find out the missing side, this one. Okay.
Yeah.
Now think about it. How can you find out this?
Mm,
Well, you can use Pythagorean theorem. Okay, one thing is clear, that this apothem divides the side in 2 equal halves. Okay.
yeah.
So if somehow you can find out this length, then you just have to times that length by 2 and you'll get the side.
Yeah.
Okay, so in order to find out this length, if somehow you can find out the hypotenuse, this one. Can you find out the hypotenuse? Or actually, you don't even need to find out the hypotenuse. We will be smart. We will play smart. Can you find out this angle? If you have this angle.
Yeah. So if you're trying to find out that angle, then.
No, right now you won't be able to use SOHCAHTOA. You only know 5. This side is 5. You don't know the hypotenuse. Actually, let me give them names. Let's call this point O,
Well, we can
8
do theta is equal to 360 divided by 12.
divided by 12.
And then you can get theta is equal to 30.
No, why are you dividing it by 12?
Because each triangle, well, we can make 2 triangles for each side.
Okay.
And then you can divide 360 degrees divided by 12 because there's 12 triangles. Because like if you have like those 12, like I'm trying to put that angle up there.
Like
Like
this, you have to.
I'm putting the angle between the hypotenuse and right perpendicular.
Okay. Can you find out this total angle? This total angle. You did this in the previous units. This is what? This is a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you find
Yeah.
out the measurement of the each interior angle of a hexagon?
Uh,
You remember you did the formula n minus 2
yeah,
times
the other way better.
what?
The other way better.
Okay. So n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. And n was the number of sides. So we have 6 sides here. Okay. So 6 minus 2 times 180 over n. I mean 6. So this is 4 times 180 over 6. So how much is that? 2 times 2, 2 times 3. This goes 60. So 2 times 60 is 120. And I would recommend that you should remember the measure of each angles till octagon at least. So pentagon, each angle is 108 degrees. Hexagon, each angle is 120 degrees. And you should also memorize for septagon and octagon. Okay, so this complete angle is 120. So how much will be this angle? Just this.
60?
Exactly, 60. Remember, these radii, they actually bisect the angles. All these radii, they bisect the angles of the regular polygons. So this total angle is 120. So this theta is 60. Okay, so this theta is 60. So now we can use SOHCAHTOA to find out AB. AB.
So
Opposite
opposite
and
and
adjacent.
adjacent. So TOA? Tangent?
Mm-hmm. Tangent of theta is equal to 5
Uh,
over AB.
yeah. So 5 over, yeah, AB.
Okay, and theta is just 60 degrees. So I'll write tangent of 60 degrees is equal to 5 over AB. What is the value of tangent of 60 degrees?
What?
You know the
Oh,
value of tangent 60 degrees?
1.37638.
Okay, I think you use the calculator, right? Okay.
Yeah.
You should memorize the values of all the trig ratios on the standard angles. What?
Wait, oh, that ratio?
Tangent of 60 degrees is root 3.
Yeah.
So root 3 is equal to 5 over AB. So AB is equal to 5 over root 3. And now we can use calculator. 5 over 1.73. That will be approximately 2.89. Okay, so we have AB 2.89. So what will be the side of this hexagon?
Uh,
This is 2.89.
So 2.89 times 2, that's 5.78.
5.78, exactly. Okay. So one side is 5.78. Now I think we are in the condition to find out the area. Okay, so let's find out the area. We know that area is 1/2 times the perimeter times the apothem. Perimeter will be how much? We have 6 sides, so 6 times 5.78.
That is, okay.
Just write 6 times 5.78 because 6 will get cancelled by 2. And then the apothem is 5 times
Yeah.
5. So the 6 gets cancelled by 2. So you have 3 times 5.78 times 5, whatever that is, that would be the final answer. And this is meters, so meter square.
86.7.
And I think number 4, 5, and 6, all of these can be solved using the similar process. In all of these, only the apothem is given. First, you'll have to find out. You understood the process?
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll have to first find out the angle using this. See, they have also given you the steps. Step 1, 2, 3. First, you create a right triangle, then find out the angle, half of that, and then you use trig ratios.
Okay.
You want to do one more?
We do number 6.
Number 6. Yeah, okay. Let's do number 6. So first, just complete the right triangle. Okay. Now, first, we'll try to find out this angle. And in order to find out this angle, we will find out this entire angle. Now, what shape is this? This is
An octagon?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is an octagon. So n minus 2 times 180 over n. And since this is an octagon, so n will be 8. So 8 minus 2, that's 6. 6 times 180 over 8. Now simplify this. 2 times 3, 2 times 4. Okay. I think we can simplify. 2 times 2, 2 times 90, and 45. Okay, so 3 times 45, that will be, so 135 degrees.
Yeah.
So each interior angle of an octagon is 135. So half of that will be
67.5.
So this is, let's call it theta. So theta is 67.5 degrees. And we know that this is 6. Okay, let's name them O, A, B. Now, can you find out AB?
Okay. Since 67, that and that. So AB. That's
And opposite and adjacent.
Yeah.
Tangent of theta is equal to 6 over AB. Tangent of 67.5 is equal to 6 over AB. So AB will be equal to 6 over whatever is tangent of 67.5. Can you find out this value?
Yeah. 6 divided by tan. Okay, I got like 3.36.
No, there is. Can you check? Tangent of, first you can find out what will be tangent of 67.5. Tangent of 67.
6 divided by answer. Yeah, 3.36.
2.41. Wait, 2.4142. This thing, 6 divided by 2.414. No, it is 2.48.
Wait, what'd you get for tan 67.5?
I got 2.4142 something. 2.4142.
I got
Just check.
1.7856.
Just check if your angle is in degrees. It could be in radians.
Yeah.
Make it in degrees. 67.5 degrees.
Yeah, that's better.
Okay. This is the value, 2.41421356, and 6 divided by all of that, approximately 2.49. So that's AB. So the side of this octagon will be twice of that.
Mhm.
So the total side, this total side will be 2 times 2.4, what was that, 2.49.
Yeah.
This value is approximately 2.49. Okay, so that will give us approximately
4.98.
4.98. And I think now you can find out the area.
Yeah.
Now area will be 1/2 times. Perimeter will be 8 times 4.98 times the apothem, which is 6. Units will be kilometer square. Okay. So you're good with this concept, finding out area of any regular polygon?
Yeah, it's easy now.
It involves a lot of steps, but okay, then you'll be able to do all of these.
Yeah.
A lot of,
It's like the homework is just 9 to 14.
But you have variety in these questions. Now you have side is given, apothem you'll have to find out. Side is given. And so from 7 to 10, the sides are given, you'll have to find out the apothem. And from 11 to 14, the radius is given. 11, 12, 13, 14, this radius is given, and you'll have to find out the side as well as the apothem.
Should we do one of them?
Yeah, we can review the steps.
Can we
So
do
from
one of them?
from 7 to 9, from 7 to 10, you have one kind of questions, and from 11 to 14, you have one kind of questions.
Can we do number 8?
Number 8, okay. Number 8. So the side is 22 yards. So when the side is given, you can find out the perimeter.
And then wait, when you put the Apothem down, then that means half of your leg is going to be 11.
Wait, which one? Wait, let me just draw this. This is the apothem that we need to find out. Yeah, we need to find out this. This is 22 yards, and steps will be again same. Half of 22, yes, you said 11, right? That this is going to be 11. You can complete the right triangle. This time you know this side, and we are trying to find out this side. Let's call it X. And again, you can find out this angle. What will be this angle? And again, you can use trig. This is what? A hexagon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Mm-hmm.
We found the angle for hexagon. Yeah. How much was it? 135? No, 120. Each interior angle of hexagon was 120, so half of that will be 60. So this angle is 60. Theta is 60 degrees. So this is opposite. And this is adjacent. So tan.
Wait, how'd you figure out 60?
What?
Wait, how'd you figure out 60?
Oh, this is a hexagon, right? So in the previous question, number 3, this was also hexagon. So I looked at it. We found the angle 120. And this was 60 degrees in hexagon.
Mm.
In number 3, we had a hexagon, right?
Yeah.
So I just looked at the solution. So 120 is the interior angle. So half of that is 60.
Got it.
Okay, so tangent of 60 degrees will be equal to x over 11. So x will be, now tangent of 60 degrees is root 3. So root 3 times 11, that means 11 root 3, that is x. So you have your apothem.
Yeah.
Okay. And if you look at 11, 12, 13, 14, this time you have the radius. And again, you just have to follow the same steps. For example, maybe you can take number 13. Complete the right triangle. This is going to be the right triangle. That's your apothem. This is 7. The radius is 7. And everything will be same. Just mark the right angle correctly. This is the right angle. And this is what? Is it an octagon? No, I think this is a septagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Octagon.
No, this octagon, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We did for octagon as well. For octagon, each interior angle was 135 degrees. So theta is 67.5 degrees. So theta, that means this angle, this one. This is 67.5 degrees. We want to find out the apothem. So tangent of 67.5 degrees will be equal to the apothem over SOHCAHTOA to tangent is what? Opposite over adjacent to and adjacent is 7. Okay, so you can find out the value of A from here, and then to find out the area, you can use 1/2 times A times perimeter. You also need to find out the side, one of the sides. Okay,